beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you've just kind of stumbled across me. I am BrightSideBlondie. This channel is all about spirituality. I like to do tarot pick-a-card readings. I like to talk about chakras and crystals, anything spiritual. I chat about it. So hit the subscribe button if that's what you're into. And please don't forget to like and comment. Today's video is a spiritual unboxing. Well, I've seen lots of people do unboxings on YouTube, and I think that they're really fun. I wanted to do one. Over the last week, I have picked up a couple of things here and there. Something that's really important to me is not spending a lot of money on these things because I don't want to put myself in debt getting tools. There are lots and lots of places that sell things cheap. There are lots of places that sell things used. If you know me, then you know that I am a huge thrift shopper. I love getting deals because they're just as good and I'm paying way less. So I have 5 things that I have picked up this week that I wanted to share with you all. The first one is this cute little oracle deck. The answer is simple. Now, I got this deck off of the 24-hour auction, so it's just a page on Facebook that people buy and sell used things. So I connected with this woman, sent her a message, and I got this oracle deck for $10. So that's super exciting. So I'll take a couple out for you guys. They're cute. Share your gifts, reach out. They're just cute. I thought these would be fun to add into my tarot pick-a-card readings on here. So if you like them, let me know. They are by Sonia Colette. There's her name there. If I butchered her last name, thank you for watching. I will pull a card for you all right now. Okay. Dear universe, please watch over this experience, making certain only true and divine guidance comes through. I ask you to help me and my followers release our ego fears so we can clearly see, hear, feel, and know the messages that you have for us. I ask that this reading bring blessings to everyone involved. Now, we had one guy pop out during that shuffle, but I'm going to ask for one more and give you guys a little reading. Please send me one more card of what we need to see right now. There we go. Oh, we got 2 more. So, the universe wants us to first tell the truth. Okay, what's been going on in your life right now? Are there some secrets? What's going on? Tell the truth. And then we have see the light. Okay, so that one to me, that's just like this is like an intuition. This is like dreaming, what's going on in your dreams. Look for the light and drop it. Okay, so the reading that I'm getting, the big message from Spirit right now is to tell the truth. Whatever you're holding on to right now, if it's a secret or whatever it is, drop it and see the light. It's kind of like, it almost reminds me of Peter Pan. I feel that Spirit is coming to you in the night, okay? And they're kind of communicating to you through your dreams. So if you need some extra support, know that Spirit is here for you. So yeah, if you like that deck, let me know in the comments and I will throw that into my next tarot pick-a-card. Something that I picked up this week that I'm super excited about is this beautiful selenite wand, okay? How gorgeous is that? I paid $10 for this selenite wand. I got it at the Bookery, and that is in Fergus, Ontario. It's a cute little shop just downtown on the strip there. So selenite is my absolute favorite crystal always. Selenite is really great for clearing our auras. I have tons and tons of selenite, but I'm always looking for an excuse to buy more, and I don't have anything that's in like a solid sphere, like soft form like this. All of the selenite I have is kind of rough, so when I saw this, I was very excited. I can use this to direct energy. It's a rounded point and it's a wand, so using that to direct energies. If I'm building a crystal grid, I can kind of connect all the energies of the crystals. I'm just doing this kind of motion, connecting all of the energies in the grid, and then I can bring that energy into myself and center that within me. Yeah, go and check out the Bookery in Fergus if you're close. Next, I would like to show you, I went to a market. I came across this vendor. They are called 108 Mala Project. Now I threw them a follow on Instagram because they were very sweet and they were very helpful. So from them, I got these beautiful mala beads. Okay, so I've been drawn to these for a little while now, but they were a little bit out of my price range. Usually I don't spend a whole lot of money on my tools, but this guy was $50. This is made with like obsidian and some tourmalated quartz, which are these guys here. And then these little whitey blue ones are an aquamarine stone. So this one's really good for calming. Just go in and see what you're drawn to. Don't go in with that mindset. You can go in with that mindset that you are looking for a specific crystal, but I always suggest just letting your intuition guide the way for you. And that's what I did with this beautiful mala here. What I have been doing is just kind of wrapping it up in my hands and holding it over my heart center while I meditate. And just asking for my angels to come through and connect with me. Even with my eyes closed right now, I'm getting some visuals, I'm seeing some shapes, some different colors, mostly yellow and blue. And yeah, so this just strengthens your practice. I can also wear it if I want. I can wear it just around my neck and have it on me. And that was at the Keedy Market. So that's near my cottage. Keedy is about like a half-hour drive for us. So that's where I picked that guy up. I also got this little guy, and that is a pyrite, which is also known as fool's gold. I picked that up from the Drifting Gem. Okay, so they were also at the Keedy Market, and I just yeah, super drawn to this pyrite. I've been thinking about doing kind of like a wealth spell jar. And a really great crystal to have when you're trying to attract wealth and money is pyrite, fool's gold. So this guy, I really liked him. He's nice and shiny and sparkly, which is things that I like, shiny and sparkly. So I picked that one up. The final thing that I want to show you guys today is not really a spiritual tool. It was just something that I found. I forget what store I was in now, but it was also in Fergus on St. Andrew's Street. It was just this really cute little shop. They had like coffee mugs, they had diffusers, they had pillows, cards, just like a range of knick-knacky things. So I picked up this little hand. And in meditation lately, I've been seeing hands a lot. And that makes sense just because healer's energy comes from our hands. So when I've been calling upon my angels, I'll often see a hand coming down when I'm asking to receive healing. So that's why I got this guy. I thought he was really cute. He's gonna go in my business room. I thought it would be cool to have a little crystal in the hand. Oops. I thought it would be cool to have that little crystal in there. I think it's supposed to maybe be a bookend because it does sit like flat that way, but I'm gonna have it sitting this way and offering a crystal. Okay, so those are all of the things that I've picked up over the last week. All of my spiritual tools and also just a little hand that I guess could be spiritual because I want it to be. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was kind of fun for me to show you what I got over the last week. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. All of the things that I showed you here today, I will have linked in the description box below. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.